Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set WhatsApp DP without losing quality, right? So if I just go to my WhatsApp here, and in the settings here I can just go to my settings, and then here I can just update my profile, right? The problem is if you're getting low quality your WhatsApp DP, it means that you have a low quality image. So let me show you a difference here. I will just go and look for a picture here. For example, I will go to the images, right? And you have to get a really good quality image. For example, this is an image, right? And it is a good quality, but you have to make sure that it is into 1080p or it has good width or length. Then this is only one way to identify that whether image is in good quality or not. So you have to use it good quality. Let me just show you. I will just download this, right? And once it get downloaded here, I will open it up. As you can see here, the quality of the image, right? Now when I just go and try to put this as my GP here, I will just go to my gallery and select my GP, right? And once it's done, you will see that the quality didn't lose, right? The quality of the image which is set as a DP is exactly same, right? So let me just go and show you here. This is my account and it's look exactly fine, right? So this is the only one way to just don't get your losing quality of your DP. Just upload a really good quality image and ultimately there will be a no quality, right? So I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.